Hello, and welcome to the Metro MLS webinar reviewing Office Member Search in Flex MLS. In this webinar, we'll review what Office Member Search is, how to access it, and use it. So let's begin. So to access Office Member Search, you click on Menu, and then underneath the Search section, click on Office Member. This will bring you to the Office Member Search screen. Now you use Office Member Search to find out information on one of our members. Maybe you got a call requesting a showing on one of your listings and you wanted to verify membership, or maybe you need to find out what their phone number is or any of their profile information. You can look it up here. So you can search by that member's name, a member or an office code, that be their Met ID but without the Met dot part, email address, primary phone number, fax number, or zip code. So I've got a member's name that I'll pretend like I'm a realtor, and I got a call from someone named John Morris that was asking to show my property. So I can just type in his name here and then hit find. Here, office is no office found because there's no office by the name of John Morris, but there's a member by the name of John Morris. So I can see here he's from First Weber in Brookfield. So to see his information, I can just simply select his name to highlight it, and then his member information is down here. So this is all being pulled from his profile and membership information. There's his license number and his office license number. There's his web address, his email address, his member code, his office code, his board affiliation, fax, office, all that good stuff here. I've got access to it. So a lot of this information here is being pulled from his profile, what he's got filled in there. Okay? So maybe I wanted to see, well, who's the broker of that office? I kind of like to know. So there, you can look it up by code, or you can type in First Weber and pop it from the list. But I'm going to do the FWGO2 and then hit find. All right, so there's the office. And there's the information for the office if I need that. If I wanted to see the members of that office, you get a Show This Office Members button. Clicking that will bring up the members of this particular office. So there's everybody that belongs to that office there. You can type in the name of an office. Maybe there's like one of the bigger offices. If I did Shore West, I'll just do SWR, see what I come up with that. Okay, that just came up with the code there. So I'll just simply type in the name and then hit find. And it's thinking, and it brings up all of the Shore West offices with the members that are registered under the offices. So it's a pretty big list. So if I wanted to see a particular office, maybe I'll select Shore West to Wauwatosa, and then I can look at their members like that. Okay. Now, let's say you get a call from someone who says they're part of South Central MLS, and you're thinking, well, how am I supposed to verify who that is and find their information? We do have an option to look up WireX members. That's over here underneath the Options button. So if you click on Options, and then you can select WireX, and then we'll go here. If I were to do a find, I can find the Shore West members underneath the WireX. So here, these are all of the Shore West realtors that are listed underneath the WireX. Or I can just type in a name. Let me just think of something. Sandra Jones. Maybe I'll get lucky and come up with something like that. Okay, nope, I'll just go do the last name Jones. There we go. Alright, so these are the WireX members. So that's the office. Addison Jones is an office. I can scroll down here, and then anybody, it looks like they're associated with the Addison Jones. To get to the Jones last names, there they are down here. So you can see that there's WireX. So I'll select Carolyn. And then there's Carolyn's information here. I can find that. And then she's a part of South Central Wisconsin board membership. So if you need to select the WireX, search a WireX member, remember to come in here for this option and put the check in WireX. When you leave this screen, I believe it should clear that check out of there. Let me see. Go back there. Yeah, it's just for that session that you're searching, so don't worry about having to think about, oh, I got to remove that just in case, I don't remember to remove it. All right. This will conclude our tutorial for Office Member Search in FlexMLS.